As parents, you make sure you do everything possible to maintain your baby good health and overall well-being. Keeping your baby happy and healthy may feel challenging at times, but there are clear signs of a healthy baby. Sleeping is very important for the overall development of babies. When your baby sleeps well, usually 11 to 17 hours, it means they are healthy. Getting enough rest shows that your baby is healthy and feeling good. If your baby makes eye contact and smiles back, it is a sign they are developing well. By about 4 months, your baby will be able to look at you and make eye contact, and may even laugh out loud. When you start hearing sounds like babbling, it means they are getting ready to speak their first words. These small achievements show that your baby is growing healthily. One of the most important signs of a healthy baby is that they are gaining weight as expected. If your baby weighs twice their birth weight at 5 months, and 3 times their birth weight at 1 year, he is growing healthily. Healthy babies typically feed either by bottle or breast every 2 to 4 hours. If your baby has a strong sucking reflex and requests frequent feedings, it indicates that they are happy and growing healthily. Regular feeding also supports their overall growth and development. Your baby poop is an important indicator of their overall health. Whether your baby is breastfed or on formula, they should be wetting 4 to 6 diapers per day on average. This shows that your baby is not only eating well, but also staying hydrated. A healthy baby can lift their head for longer periods while lying on their tummy. By 6 months, your baby may roll over and sit with support. By 1 year, they will likely crawl, stand and walk with help. These are signs that your baby is developing healthily. A normal and healthy baby starts responding to different sounds as they grow. Music, TV sounds, and even toys will start catching your little one attention. These are all signs that show your baby hearing system is developing well. If your baby is not showing these signs, it is important to take them to a pediatric provider as soon as possible for a checkup.